I love the smell of grilling in the morning. For me, nothing beats brewing up some coffee, grabbing a steak, couple of eggs, maybe a pepper or two, and padding out to grill my breakfast on my favorite new deck appliance, the Current Grill. No charcoal to light and coax and coddle, no propane tanks to manage. That's because it's, electric. I know, not a word most grillers will utter, but trust me, that is going to change. As this highly advanced tool scratches so many itches, just plug it into a standard household outlet. 15 amps is preferred, and in no time, you've got 700 degrees to play with. Oh, and these grates, these are designed specifically to allow an intense sear while capturing cooking juices, thus allowing them to vaporize and rise up to bathe the food with flavor. Of course, when you're grilling a whole meal, having a couple of different heat zones is ideal, but tricky to manage with traditional carbon-based fuels. The Current's 2 zones are digitally controlled, so I just dial in the desired grate temp. I can grill, sear, steam, smoke, braise, roast, cook my eggs over easy, even bake biscuits. For things like roasts and whole chickens and the like, the Current provides inputs for up to 4 temperature probes, so I can keep my eye on things thermally speaking. And should I wish to do that from, say, the comfort of my bed, I can monitor and control everything via remote control, which is to say, this app, which can even guide you and your Current through a variety of tested and proven recipes.
Mr. Brown.
Oh, look, it's Mrs. Johnson from 1B. Good morning, Mrs. Johnson.
Mr. Brown, the HOA guidelines clearly prohibit the use of charcoal, wood, or gas on the decks. It's not safe.
Is that a fact?
If you don't put a stop to this immediately, I will inform management.
Well, be sure to mention that the Current dual zone grill on which I'm preparing my delicious breakfast complies with our building's regulations and it's NFPA approved.
And who might that be?
National Fire Prevention Association.
Mr. Brown, your dogs have been barking well beyond acceptable hours.
Well, they'll be quiet this morning, Mrs. Johnson. One of these steaks is for them. Have a good day. Oh. Boy, do I love grilling.